Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, I will discuss another way on how to get the data from a form using the getter methods. But before that, please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit also the notification bell so that you will be notified with all the new videos that I'm going to upload in this channel. And so, like I said a while ago, I will discuss another way on how to get data from a form, and that is by using getter methods. Previously, in my previous videos, I used the variable that I declared in the value property from the HTML file. For example, in line 15 here, so I have an input text, so I am using the value property. The variable that I declared there is your name. And so in our bin file, so I have to declare that as string, something like this. And so if I want to get that value, so all I need to do is to, in my output.html, I will just put get data that your name. So similarly, if you have, for instance, fruit here, or a drop down list box here, or a text area here, so it's the same way on how to get data. Now this time, let us use another way on how to get data, but this time we will be using the getter methods. Again, you can check out my previous videos about how to get data from a form. For example, here, from a text box, from a text area, from a list box, or a drop-down list. So you can visit our channel here and try to review again this video if you forget how to get the data from the form. And so to get the data that we will input here from the getter methods, all we need to do is to use the getter methods that we created during the time we created the bin file. And so you have to declare all your variables here, and you have to create your setters and getters. So the getters are the one we will be using here. Like for example here, get your name, get fruit, get comments. So in JSF, that is possible. So if we try to run first this program, you will see that, for instance here, okay, so I just use again here to get the data by using the variable that I use in the value property from my HTML file. So when I submit, there you go. So this time, the same problem, we will be displaying this data, but this time using the getter method. And so that is only very simple. All you need to do, again, I'm going to just copy this so that we are fast. So all you need to do is to use the getter method. So for the name, so I will just be using this one, get your name. So get your, so that's how it is. Just use the getter method. Okay, so let's say here, this is fruit. So I'm just going to say get fruit. Open and close parenthesis. Okay, so it is similar to just simply calling that method. So this one here, that get comments. And so it's like that. So I'm just going to put another BR here to separate the two. And so if we try to run now again, I'm going to run it. So let's say I'm going to input data. Let's say Sam. I'm going to select banana. I'm going to put here, this is my comment. This is just an example. So we should see data that will be displayed, or we should see displaying of data. The other one is by using the variable that I declared in the value property of our HTML, this one here, and using the getter method. So I'm going to click submit here, and there you go. So it is possible either to use this technique here or by using getter methods. So I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial video. This is a very simple discussion of how to get data using the getter methods from your bin file. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next one.